mug, any kind of microwave safe mug. I'm using this glass mug. So we're going to start with 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. Then I'm going to add 1 egg. 1 egg. 3 tablespoons of almond flour. I'm using the almond flour from Trader Joe's. Then you need a pinch of salt. And a half a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix all the ingredients together until they're nicely mixed. So this would just be enough for 1 or 2 people. For my better taste, I like to add just a little bit of brown sugar and some spices, because why not? The bread is gonna be already fantastic. I love to add spices. So this is just allspice blend of veggie blends with no salt. I like to add a little bit of onion powder. It's just gonna be so delicious. A little bit of garlic powder. A little bit of oregano powder. And I use a little bit of sesame seasoning blend. And give it a good mix. And it's ready to go in the microwave. Ready to go. And let's go. 90 seconds. You can already see it's still 60 seconds left. It's already rising and rising and rising and rising and rising and cooking and rising. Oh yeah. Okay, it's ready. Let's see. This is how it looks. Let's cool in the microwave. Just cool for a little bit. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's a little wobbly inside. So let's shake it and it's ready. We'll take it out. Just like that. And let it cool. Right now, let it cool for like 2-3 minutes. So it's completely cooled. Now it's time to slice it. So I have sliced our bread. You can eat it like this, but I'm gonna send it to the toaster. So it's already, chewy inside, but I just like my bread crispy on the outside. And I'm gonna bring it from the toaster. So they just came out from the toaster. One got a little burnt, but it's not a big deal. The other ones, they're perfect. And once they come out of the toaster, they become crispy on the outside and still soft and chewy on the inside. And they can really hold stuff like meat, or how about putting some, or if you're not a big meat eater, enjoy this with a toast with some butter and jelly. Here, this side is just toasted in the toaster oven, and these are grilled on my grill pan. So the texture and the taste, of course, this is so much better because they are grilled with butter. And the smell is delicious too, just like that grilled perfect bread. This is perfect with grilled cheese. This now is a taste test with some raspberry jelly. Mm-hmm. Yum. Delicious. Oh my god, you cannot see the difference. Even this guy likes it. Where's he? Do you like it? He likes it. Actually, why not? Just a little piece. I hope you enjoy. How about putting some burger? Okay. How about some mayo? Ketchup. Close it up. Yum. Now let's do the taste test. Smush it.
You're gonna have trouble ripping it apart, so might as well use a knife.
No, I'm gonna bite it in.
French roast.
Mm-hmm.